Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your Baraka007. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to disable internet access to any particular application on your Android devices. Now this is all done with this application called NetGuard. You could find this on the Google Play Store and it is quite easy to download. So I'm going to give you guys a demonstration of this application. So let's launch YouTube and I'm going to disable the internet connection for YouTube after this demonstration. So as you can see, there is internet access to YouTube. Let's give it some time to load. And as you can see, we have internet access over here. So let's close the YouTube app and let's launch NetGuard. As you can see, NetGuard is disabled and the switch above is what will be used to turn on and off NetGuard. And as you can see, we have a list of all the applications installed on our Android devices. So let's click on YouTube, and as you can see, we have quite a few things here which we could do. So we could allow mobile when the screen is on and block it when the screen is off. However, we will just block internet overall. So as you can see, we have a toggle here. We have two icons basically beside the YouTube application. We have the Wi-Fi icon and the mobile data icon. So we could select the Wi-Fi icon and block it off Wi-Fi as well. And we could select the mobile data icon and block it from mobile data. However, we will only be blocking mobile data because that's what we're using. And let's click on the switch, and basically the VPN connection key appeared at the top, and that means it's currently working. So let's go back and let's launch YouTube. And there should not be any internet connection to YouTube. Now this is very useful in an instance where you'd want to turn off internet access to particular applications on your device. Let's say WhatsApp. You are doing something on your phone and you don't want to receive any message or anything from WhatsApp. You could simply turn off the internet access to that particular application and then carry on with whatever you were doing before. So yeah, this is how you go about doing this. As you can see, YouTube is not loading, so there isn't any internet connection or access to the YouTube application. So NetGuard is a simple and light application, and as you can see, we could disable that. We could select multiple applications here to block the internet access from, and we could also select lockdown traffic, and lockdown traffic basically allows all the internet access to be restricted on the device. There will be no feature or no internet access will not pass through any application. As you can see, pro features, we have all of these enabled. You could get the pro version of this application on the Google Play Store or by other means. However, I won't be giving you a demonstration of how to do that. So feel free to check out this application. Simply block internet access to any applications on your Android device with one click, and that is how it is done.